it's your Black China dog coming in with a new wig. First of all, I want to say I hope everybody's doing well today. This is one of those WIGPOP wigs. They came out with a couple of new ones or whatever, so I wanted to try it out or whatever. Let me get the tag off. You know what, let's leave the tag on. Okay, so here she is, and her name is Annette, and I have her in maple brown. Okay, all right. But if you're new here, I would like to welcome you to the JR channel. I am JR. I am on this channel. We discuss wigs, fashion, and topics, women topics of what's going on with you and how to handle those things. Now, today we're gonna try on this wig here, and it's kind of an old kind of, not kind of old, but old kind of style. It's like a mullet, so we may have to update that to fit, my mood and my, sexy. Okay, so I'm digging this hair right here. Okay, I'm digging this hair right here, all fluffiness and everything. Tell me, you guys, what you think or whatever. Now, where did I get this wig from? I did a haul on this. Got this wig from Shein. Okay, I got this wig from Shein, and she's really cute. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna be trying on the WIGPOP wig that I just showed you. So stay tuned while I go ahead and plop her on my head, and we're gonna see what kind of changes we could, do to get her to update. Wait, before we go to the next thing, I did get a mystery box in the mail, and I love Juvia's Place, and I just seen a mystery box for what, $18. Ooh, let's get it. So I did order it. It came in the mail. I'm going to show you what came in the mystery box. All right, so whatever is a double of what I have in my collection, I'm gonna give it away. Okay, all right, so the first thing that came in the mystery box is the Nubian 2. I don't have this one, so this is the Nubian 2. I don't have this one, so I'll be keeping this one. Just throw it on the floor, girl. All right, I don't remember what that looks like. But my collection of Juvia's Place is not very big, but I love what I do have. So this is the Nubian 2. Okay. Oh, I can already then digged in it. See, I was not trying to do that. All right. See, I did that just now. Okay, so this is the Nubian 2. Like those colors. All right. I can't believe I just did that. Okay. Can't believe I just did that, guys. All right. It's the Nubian 2. Love those colors. All right. Okay, the second thing I got looks like it comes with 3 things. Yeah. Looks like it comes with 3 things. Okay, and this one. What is this? This is the Saharan Blush 1. Okay, I know for sure I have this. I know for sure I have this blush set. I have this. Okay, so if you are interested in getting this blush set, sent to you, go ahead and put in the description box, I need that one. Okay, and I'll send it to you. All right, and the last thing that was in the mystery, all we get is 3 things. That's it. I guess for $18. That's pretty good, huh? Okay, so the last thing I got was this, and it is Juvia's lip gloss. Okay, it's electric. It's called electric. All right, let's try it out. Okay, it's a lip gloss with a little gold hue to it. Just smells good. I don't know if you can see the gold or whatever. I don't know. Or whatever, but this is it right here. Okay. All right. All right. Let's move on to the next thing. Okay, guys. This she is. This she is. All right. This is the WIGPOP wig, Annette. Now, it's supposed to look like a mullet. It's from what I'm understanding. It's supposed to look like a mullet. Okay. A short little mullet. Okay, now I thought I would need to take some hair down on the sides. Maybe take some hair down on the sides. Maybe add some curl. Oh, wait a minute. Let's just use your hand and add a little curl. I mean, a little, you know, mush it up just a little bit. As they used to say, tease it. Okay. Right. Maybe put your, see, that's what I want. I want that on the side. So let your ear out. And what I was gonna do is just cut that like that or whatever. But I see you don't need to do that. You can just now this is so 80s, baby. Baby, this is real 80s right here. This is so 80s. Please believe me. All right. Boom. There she is. Just all you have to do is just create a little height in there. You want these to be kind of like that. And boom, there she go. Tell me what you think. Now, me, I like this. This reminds me of, what was that show? With Jack Tripper. And, there was a, I think her name was Janet. Little short lady, and she had black hair, and it was like this, and her name was Janet. Again, I ran out of space, okay? I ran out of space on you guys, so I had to delete some stuff. You ever been going through your camera roll like, oh, do I want to delete that? That was a special moment. Oh, I don't know if I want to delete that. Well, I just got rid of all of it. I'm like, you know what? Being that you're such a special girl, you can create anything, again, that you want to create. Let's move on, get on, and let it go. So that's exactly what I did. But at any rate, I am still here talking about this ColourPop wig. Come now. Still here talking about this ColourPop wig. I think it's a really cute little number. It is easy, 1, 2, 3. You put it on and you go. Now, baby, but I imagine this outfit, you know, this whole outfit is a whole vibe. You understand what I'm saying? So, you know, a moto jacket, maybe a nice little sexy shirt or a turtleneck. You got your skin tight jeans on or whatever with some boots. You know, I think those new boots that's, you know, the thigh high boots, baby. I see a whole vibe with it. I see a whole vibe with it. You tell me if you feel the same. All right, guys. I mean, she's under $20. WIGPOP is a very inexpensive brand, and I'm liking these new colors that they came out with. Definitely got to get some more of those or whatever. But I think she is a whole vibe, you know. Very easy. You don't have to just wear it this way. You can wear it a whole bunch of other ways, but this is the way I'm wearing it today or whatever, as it's intended to look. But you know, you don't have to do it just like that. You could go ahead and create a part here. Move this over. We can go this way, you know. Boom. Take this from behind the ear. Take this from behind the ear and take this out. You can wear it like that, or move this. Go ahead and take that out. Move it forward, and boom, you got something else going on. Okay, so she can be worn a whole lot of different ways. Okay, or if you want to do straight up little boy look, I think they used to call it paisley or something. I don't know. It does shed just a little bit. Okay, you can go just like this. Now this one here. Okay. You can go boom, boom. Just like that. If you want to go like that, you can do that. Or the way we had it before. Okay, what I like about this is short. It's got a lot of layers in it. And if you want to bump it, you can bump it. If you want to bump the hair, you can bump it and make it look totally different. Okay, because it has a lot of layers in it, you can do a lot of different things with it. And the layers is what gives you the freedom to do a whole lot with it. Okay, you come back. Oh goodness, she needs to go somewhere right here. Okay. Okay, you can go ahead and flirt around with her like that or whatever. And then if you want to do the layers again, what makes this wig is the height in the wig. If you want to create the height in the wig, that's what makes the wig look like a mullet to me. Okay, boom. All right, and there you go, creating something different again. To me, it's the sides. The sides is what's gonna give you that shape. All right. All right, so just coming in to show you this little number. She's really nothing to her but to do her. And imagination. You can go a long way with this one. Um, I haven't even explored putting curls in it yet, so that's a whole nother vibe. If I put some curls in it, and actually curl it out, that's a whole nother vibe. But at any rate, this is your Black China Doll coming in today. We visited, our 80s vibe or whatever, and they tried to bring it forward to the new century and try to revamp it or whatever. But we all know it's a damn mullet. All right? It's a mullet. I don't care which way you slice it. It's a mullet, boo. So at any rate, I was just coming in to share that with you, and I hope everybody's doing well. I hope if this is your first time here, you join us here on this channel. We love exploring new wigs, new looks, and, just feeling all good about ourselves. And that's all it is. All right, guys, just remember, stay sweet, stay kind, and stay out of trouble. Check you later, girl. Check out the mullet.